Today, we are going to introduce a 300-watt outdoor portable power station, which is a DC output port of 12 volts/10 amps for car charging. There are two USB ports here, which are 5 volts 2.4 amps, and QC 3.0 ports and Type-C port. The standard is PD 18 watts, which can be upgraded to PD 45 watts. This is the LED light. There are 3 modes. We double-click it. The first mode of lighting. Press it again is SOS. Press it again is flash mode. And finally press it turns off. These are the two DC 5521/12 volts/10 ampere outputs. This side of the product is an AC outlet, which can be customized for 100 volts, 110 volts, 220 volts, and 240 volts. First of all, let's charge the laptop. We can directly connect the AC output port with the computer adapter. Turn on the AC switch, then we see the display screen lights up, and the laptop also shows charging. Of course, we can also connect the Type-C cable to the Type-C port for charging. We can also power the home fan, also connected to the AC output port. The fan works normally. Let's take a look at this mini onboard refrigerator, which can be directly connected to the charging outlet of DC 12 volts/10 ampere, and then open the DC switch. When the display light is on, it indicates that it is working properly, so that you can drink cold drinks at any time when camping outdoors and instantly cool down. We can also give mobile phones or digital batteries for quick charging, directly connected to the Type-C port. You can charge, especially convenient and practical.